Your phone is stealing over 20 hours from you every single week, which adds up to days in a month, to hundreds of days every year. And it's not because you're lazy. It's not because you're disciplined. It's not because of some magic trick. It's just the type of dopamine that you're chasing. You're chasing artificial dopamine instead of the real dopamine. My name's Timothy. I created over 20 plus hours of time every single week, basically living like there's 8 days in a week. Would you want an extra day in a week? Of course, why not? Why would you not? So I've been able to create this and also this lifestyle for tens and hundreds of other people in the past. So I don't want you to miss out on this because I'll show you exactly how you can do the same without requiring you to give up your arms and legs. So the artificial dopamine that so many people chase is from other people's creations, the reels that other people make, the shorts that other people make. It tricks your brain into thinking that you are getting that reward, that, whoa, this is some cool thing that I found. Look on my phone. Like, I have all of these videos that I have, but it's actually other people who put these videos on your phone that you consume, that takes up your time. You didn't create that video. You didn't achieve that physique that you see. You didn't do that thing or that thing. Basically, artificial dopamine is not real. It's short term and it goes away as soon as you stop looking at it. But real dopamine is when you get that physique, you create that video, you do that cool thing, and you see the benefits from it in the long term. Whether it's a sports practice or you playing the guitar, making a friend, those challenging hard things which you get benefits from in the long run. The biggest problem with this is with chasing artificial dopamine, it leeches so much time away, resulting you in not being able to study as much, not being able to go to the gym as much, not being able to work and get the money that you want. You're not able to learn the interesting skills that can enhance your character. You're not able to make more friends. You're not able to be as healthy. You lose sleep, resulting in you not being able to make more friends, have connections, get the significant other that you want, start a family, get married, have kids. This used to be me for so long, and I wish I had those moments to look forward to, while also being surrounded by people who want the same thing. It felt impossible to do this because I had that artificial dopamine that was starving my brain from genuinely getting real dopamine. And as soon as I started chasing real dopamine, it felt like I get to live my life. I get to learn the piano. I get to succeed in sports. I get to grow this beautiful channel. If you like the environment, consider subscribing. It's free. You can always change your mind. I'm just sharing my thoughts as I grow as well. I get to start some hobby which turned into this massive channel. The more I started chasing the real dopamine, the more of a desire I had because it tasted so much better than that artificial fake dopamine. And because of that, it led me to be more repulsed by scrolling on my phone again. It was hard to go back. And with real dopamine, it's not just random tasks exactly. Like if you make a painting, it's not gonna, make you not want to scroll again, but specific things that enhance who you are as a person, your values. It aligns with your goals and your purpose. It's not exactly just random activities that you can do besides going on your phone. So now that you know this mechanism, this strategy on how you can create over 20 hours of life every single week, live like there's 8 days in a week, now that you know the strategy behind it, how you can actually do this is think about some goals that you have. What are some goals that can enhance my life and start making me chase this real dopamine? If it's getting a better physique, make it specific, like I want to get to this amount of weight. I want to lift this much. I want to bench press this much weight, pounds, whatever it is, kilograms. And then write that goal down so it's clear, it's right in front of you. And just have action steps in doing it. Make it as easy as possible, because I promise you, the more you do it, the easier it's going to be to do it for a longer time. And it's especially going to be easy if it's things that you enjoy doing. You won't get burnout. You won't desperately need motivation. If you start chasing this real dopamine, you will feel it right away. If you want more connection, you want more ideas, you want to be with like-minded people, join that free community I have in the description. If you also want to work with me personally, check out that Calendly link in the description and book a call for a time that fits you. I'd love to talk to you. Let me know what you thought of this video, and yeah, I'll see you later. See you inside the community.